So I thought I'd do something a little different and do an unboxing of a pair of platform sandals that just arrived today. And um, it's what you see on the screen, I'm hoping. And I already have a pair of these exact shoes. I had to order another pair just to have one in backup because I love them so much. Um, they were very comfortable. The first pair, very comfortable and durable too. Very lightweight and very inexpensive. $20 for the pair, shipped. So it arrived. Everything was just under $20. And the only problem I have with this is they could have done something better was to ship it in a box instead of a package. All three times because I have three pairs of these. I have a different. I have two of these same white with black polka dot, and I have a black with pink polka dot. And but these definitely stand out. I get so many compliments with these shoes. Uh, Approximately 3 weeks ago, I had worn these to the club, and I was getting compliments, you know, from my friends there and everything. And then also when I went to the diner after, we're at the diner, and there was a woman outside, and she said, "Those shoes are fire." And I was like, "Pardon me?" She says, "Those shoes are fire." And I was like, "Well, do you like them?" And she's like, "Yeah, they're adorable." So, and I was like, "You know what? It's like, I thought so too. It's like, you know, but the thing is, it's like, it's a matter of taste and everything. But it's like I'm getting all kind of compliments. I'm going to order another pair if I can. So when I got home after taking off the makeup and everything, and doing a video before taking off the makeup, and I figured I'm going to see if I could order another pair, and I did 3 weeks ago, and they arrived today. So the other two pair actually took about a month to get to me because they're coming from overseas, and it's kind of like a no-name seller. It's a third-party seller on Walmart.com, and I figured three for three. This is great. So, despite being packaged in a plastic bag within a plastic bag, basically a Ziploc bag inside another plastic bag, it was jammed in a mailbox. And much like before, I had to take them out and just keep my fingers crossed that they weren't going to be damaged from shipping. And they survived. And I now have this second pair of white with black polka dots. And, the funny thing about this was the first pair that I received, when I unboxed them, I thought it was a scam because they sent me shoes that you can't possibly latch around your ankle. It doesn't reach around your ankle. And it's like, what's up with this? It's like, it's not enough, the straps weren't long enough. But then I realized the bow material wasn't, the material you use for the bow wasn't just an accessory you use if you want to. It's actually to latch the shoe around like the ankle. So once I learned that, and I put them together and tried them on last time, and I made a video of that one when I first got it because I was so pleased with them. But I figured it's worth another one because here, you know, I figured I'll have a spare. Because I definitely want to back up with these because I don't know how long they're going to last. They're very lightweight, and they survived dancing and brisk walks to the car and whatnot. So I was like, well, it can't hurt to have another pair. They're inexpensive enough. So, but stick around after because I'm gonna show you the video I made when I got home that same night, and it's just a short video of me with the shoes on, just kind of modeling them. I wasn't doing a video specifically to model the shoes. It was just what I always do. I always do a video, um, usually before and after I go out. So, and yeah, so aren't they adorable? They're very cute, and it's just like I kind of stumbled on these one day. on Walmart's website, and I was like a little skeptical. It's like the cost and everything, and by the time they get to me, and it's like I probably won't be able to return them. And it's like, well, and they sat in my cart for a while. To be honest, it was like I was hesitant. And one day I said, I just looked at them in the cart. I was like, you know what? It's like I just want to take it. I'm just going to take a chance and order them and see what happens. Even if I wear them just a couple times and they last and they look half as good as they do in the picture, I'll be happy. So anyway, stick around. Here comes the video. Bye.